So hello everyone. Today we're going to look at the functions or purpose of tissue fixation. As you can see our tissue in the corner here, want to see why is it important to fix the tissue immediately after blood interruption. One is to prevent post-mortem changes. And how do we prevent post-mortem changes? By killing tissues. Killing tissues, we are denaturing proteins, which are enzymes, so that postmortem activities such as putrefaction, which come as a result of bacterial attack, and autolysis, which come as a result of enzyme attack, can be prevented. As we said earlier on, once postmortem changes occur, and we process this sample up to staining and examination, we are likely to report false positive results, and autolyzed tissues sometimes fail to stain. To stabilize tissue elements. Or why is it important to stabilize tissue elements? It maintains relationship between cells and extracellular substances such as connective tissue fibers and amorphous ground substances, so that the effect of any subsequent procedure is very minimal. To bring out differences in refractive index and to increase the visibility or the contrast between different tissue elements. Refractive index refers to the ratio of the velocity of the light in air to the velocity of light in liquid or solid medium. So if air and tissue had the same index of refraction, tissue would be invisible. Therefore, enhancing the differences in refractive indexes of various tissue structures increases the contrast between those different structures. Number 4, to enhance staining. So most staining is enhanced by fixation, and frequently tissues that have not been fixed well usually stain poorly. It aids in rendering tissue constituents such as lipids and carbohydrates insoluble so that they are studied. We have various lipid studies and carbohydrate studies that can be done on tissues. So for us to be able to appreciate the lipids and carbohydrates, is very important we fix so that these substances are insoluble. Fixation makes tissue firm or hard. And once the tissue becomes firm or hard, it helps or becomes very simple to carry out gross dissection. And therefore, when we do gross dissection, we are able to collect small pieces from the bigger tissue so that it is processed until examination. So those are among the few reasons why tissue is fixed. Thank you for listening.